to make a simple, scenery where I'm just going to show you the blending technique, because only that we can cover in this part. But all the details of how the detailing can be done, how you can, use brushes to get this sort of, clarity in your painting, or this sort of oil paint effect or watercolor effect, we will cover all this in our detailed session. So right now, let's start and paint a small scenery to make you understand the blending part. So I'm going to use sky blue and a pink to make my sky. Use water whenever you think that your color is too thick in consistency or it's not spreading nicely. You can use water to make your paint flow nicely. Some lighter version of this color. Now, along with the brush, one more trick that I'm going to give you here, that you can use even your fingers to blend in this color. Right? I'm going to show you that right now. Just a second. Because your fingers can also act as a great, tool to get a perfect blending texture to your acrylic painting. So you can see here, like I'm using my fingers and all this color is mixed properly. Right now, I'm just drawing a very, very rough painting because I just want to show you the techniques that we use in painting of the, in using the acrylic colors. Okay. All right. So now I'll just zoom in this for you. You can see that the color is mixed properly. Like you can see the dark light shade as well. And then gradually we are moving up towards the darker shade. What I want you to understand is that your painting should not look like this while you paint. The color should not be visible uniquely, that this is the dark shade, this is the light shade. No, the painting should flow, right? Like from the light color to dark color or dark to light, you should move gradually so that all colors mix, on themselves and the painting looks nice. Now, after the blue shade, let's move on to a little bit warm color. So we have an orange prepared here with us. Let's lighten it and try and see. Painting, art, everything is like, a meditation. Just play with it. Try and experiment whatever you can. Just imagine the things and go with the flow, right? So I already had this orange which I just prepared. So I have just lightened this color a bit and let's add it to our sky and let's see how that comes out. So I have given this light orange, or you can say the flesh color shade over here in my sky. Now I'm going to blend this with the light blue color that we have given to our sky previously. Okay, so just move gradually upwards to this color. Now, as I said that these colors dry up very fast. So you can see that if I'm painting this color over here, it is just, getting painted with over this blue, but it is not merging properly. This is not blended properly. So we just need to blend this color. Use a little bit of water. Start applying over it and start using the blue color as well. Little bit of blue, little bit of orange, both the colors we will mix little by little and create a perfect blend of these two colors. Right now you can see all the three colors are visible, very properly, but we don't want this. We want them to be merged within each other. So we will move towards it gradually. Every painting, every art piece require a lot of patience from your side. So you need to, work layer by layer, because nothing can happen with just one stroke. You need to enter so many layers of your paint to get the perfect texture or the perfect blend that you are looking for. Okay. I've just added a hint of dark color again, and then I have just added water and I'm mixing it. Just use your finger and try blending in this color together. Right, same. So we'll be using this light color. You can see this part has been mixed properly. We can see that here gradually we are going up and the color is changing. Now we just need to work on this end of our painting. You need to add more of your light orange color here. Okay. So just blend it in properly. Some with your brush, some with your finger, and you are going to get the perfect blend that we are looking for. Just keep on adding water to mix the colors. I'm just adding a bunch of red over here, my white. Just blend in the colors. Just think of the colors and try and experiment with them and keep on blending them. So like now I have blended this. I have made the shade of light orange again, and I have blended it with my sky. Okay. So now you can see that the colors are not, they are visible separately, but they're also visible in a proper blend as well. Now I'm going to, paint the ground over here. I'm just using yellow color for that. Now I'm going to blend the yellow with my light orange that I have. Start adding your light orange and your yellow simultaneously to blend them in together. Okay, so you can see that this was quick. I blended in the light orange and your yellow together. So now you have the background ready with you. You can see each color separately also, but well blended colors as well. You can start like from upper, you have a dark blue, then you can come here light blue, then a mixture of blue and orange over here, then an orange field, then a mixture of orange and yellow over here, and a yellow field. So you have a beautiful background ready to do your, now, as I said before, the plastic paints dry on very quickly and you can paint over it. Like you can do work of layers over your acrylic painting, whereas this is not possible with your watercolors, because if I had worked this with a watercolor and if I try to paint another color over it, the colors would have mixed together and it would have created some other color and your painting would have just smudged. But this quality is with only acrylic color that you have, that it dries up super fast, and after drying it becomes like plastic. As I said, that it is made of plastic polymers, so as soon as it dries it becomes plastic and you can paint any color over it again. Okay, so above now here we are going to just draw trees and some decoration. The main motive of mine for telling you or drawing something, I just do it abruptly as I told, was to tell you how you blend the colors and how different colors can be blended in together. Because if someone who doesn't know this blending or the color theory, what they would have done, blue color, then green color to your ground, blue color to your sky, or brown color to your ground, and some trees, that would have done. But experimenting with colors, working with various colors and techniques, using and blending in colors of various different domains, like I said, mixing of warm and cool colors is the trick over here.